Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials, bringing you another original design. This is the Bethlehem knot. Let's get started. At my left side, it's at the belt line as usual. Come over here, we're going to put in a dimple. We're going to come around here like this. We're going to come up and over, down and around. There we go, create that delta there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to come around here like this, have it like that, tighten it up. Then I'm going to come around and fold it like so. We're going to come up, we're going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to do a wreath. And do like that. Now let me go ahead and put the collar down. I don't want to fix it. I want to kind of bring this up a bit, kind of arc that, kind of leave this out like so, kind of add some dimension to it, and then kind of pull these apart. So there you have the Bethlehem knot. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We'll see you in the next video.